your girl Simone SHARICE, and today in this video, today's hair is provided by Ms.Buy. So I went ahead and put this wig on and slapped it on my head, and throughout that, as you guys seen by the title, I'm doing a get ready chit chat with me hair edition, okay? But I wanted you guys to kind of know how to love yourself. That's what this video is kind of geared towards, and how to be more appreciative of the person that you are and are becoming. So let's get started into the video. So this wig already comes made for you. If you're not really great at wigs, this is perfect for you. I did go ahead and add on my own headband. You guys know I make my own custom headbands. Inside looks like this. I dyed right here, so ignore that. But I've been so much into like this whole getting to know yourself, getting to love yourself, knowing how to let people go, knowing how to just live your best life. I feel like it's just so important for people to understand that, because sometimes people look so happy and they're far from happy. It's so easy to hide that stuff on social media and everyday life. I mean, I'm not gonna go ahead and get into like a whole bunch of details, but I am gonna talk on how I make myself feel better, you know? And my last video was pretty much how to let go of toxic people and how I do it, and how to start on a whole... pretty much how to start over on a whole new slate. I was getting into that, but I ended up going into a story time. So this wig, this is it. It's still kind of damp. This is how it looks in its natural state, guys. This hair looks so pretty. So I've done 3 other videos with Ms.Buy, and I love their wigs. They're made a little bit different than other wigs. Like, they have this like plastic thing going on here. When I asked, I believe they said it was like, if you wanted to like not put a headband, if you want a more comfortable wear, that's what it's for. Yeah, this hair is gorgeous. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this lace. You guys know I can't cut and talk. So I'm gonna cut it, speed this part up, and then we're gonna go ahead and get into the topic as I go ahead and slay this wig. So how I do this is I'm pretty much, you guys know I don't cut in a straight line. I used to cut in a straight line, and I do sometimes depending on the wig. If a wig already comes pre-plucked, I can go ahead and do a straight line, like extremely pre-plucked. But if a wig comes partially pre-plucked or kind of like this, I like to go ahead and just create the zigzag, because I am going to go ahead and pluck it a little bit more. But you can also go ahead and wear it just like this, because honestly it fits on my head perfect. Like, I don't need to do much. So as you can see, it sits perfectly on my hairline, or a little bit before, I should say. So I'm gonna talk about like self-affirmations in this video, and pretty much the importance of it. If you cannot tell yourself that you're beautiful, or feel like you're going places in life, or feel like you're doing something in life, it's not gonna help you get to the next level. It's gonna only keep you back, and it's gonna keep you feeling like you're not really going anywhere. So I feel like a lot of the time I would love to wake up in the morning and do like meditation and watch motivational videos and all this kind of stuff. Instead, I go in the shade room, okay? I'm on a shade room all day, and that's not the way to start your morning off. Like, you need to start your morning off positive. I know most people kind of like live for like the comment section in the shade room, but you have to think about how that's gonna affect your morning. Like, you know, like, is that gonna make you wake up and feel like after you read that for the next 2 hours or an hour, is that gonna make you feel like, okay, let me go ahead and accomplish that? No, it's not going to make you do that. Honestly, it starts you off so wrong. I'm gonna get a tweezer, even though I don't need one, but you know I'm extra. Let's see how a middle part looks. Oh, these wigs are 13 by 6 inches, so I love that about it, because I hate short parts. Oops, sorry. So I remember last week I started watching motivational videos. I started my day off so empowered. I just had like Joel Osteen or just like motivational videos just playing in the background. Will Smith has a really good one, and I just felt like I could like conquer the world. I just felt like I wanted to achieve my goals. Like, I wanted to go to the next level. I wanted to see what else was out there. So I really feel like it's really important to start your day off on a good note. Now, with that being said, when I was watching it, it was just, I started to realize about self-affirmations and how important they are. And self-affirmations being like just reminding yourself daily how important you are, of your accomplishments, of what you've done, and you know, and who you are as a person. Like, how did you get to where you are today? Like, you must have done some great stuff. And even if you're struggling with like stuff that you feel like you're doing so much but you're not seeing anything back from it, self-affirmations really do help, because it's like, okay, stop beating up on yourself. So let's say like I didn't go to college and I didn't get a degree. Not saying that's the only way out. What have you done so far that has gotten you here? So I don't have a college degree, but I was able to work my way up to manager at this store. What else is out there for me? Maybe I can go back to school. Maybe I'm a beautiful person. I have a great personality. What is out there for me? You know, reminding yourself of why you're an amazing person can honestly help you to strive for more and want more, you know? So freaking hard doing this, honestly. Guys, be careful when you're plucking, because you don't want to go ahead and start plucking your edges out. Depending on how your lace is, if you're doing this with a different lace wig or with this wig when you get it or whatever you're watching this video for, make sure you just kind of, for me, it kind of helps when I pull it up on my hairline, like on my forehead. I know I look a little crazy, but pluck there, because there's no hair underneath there. So pluck there and then go ahead and slide it back when you're ready. But it also helps you to see how realistic your scalp is looking. I feel like I've accomplished so much, but my accomplishments I've never really been appreciative of. Like, I'm never appreciative of what I'm doing today or what I've accomplished today or what I've done yesterday. I'm always looking for the next best thing. Like, or my mind was also always in other places rather than me being happier of what I've accomplished so far in my life. You know, like, there's a lot of people my age that don't have what I have or whatever. Not to brag about, I should be thankful for that. Instead of me being thankful, I'm like, okay, what can I do next? How can I get that next? How can I be there next? You know, like, no, I hit 100K. Let me be happy for 100K. Don't worry about 200K yet. Let me be happy, but I don't do that. I'm never happy for what's happening today, or what's going on today. Like, I'm so, my mind is over there when you need to appreciate what's going on now. And a lot of times I have to remind myself, like, I'm an amazing person. I'm gorgeous. You know, you're gorgeous too. College, and I got 2 degrees, and I did this and I did that, and I live on my own, and I own a business and all kind of stuff, and I don't remind myself of that. I don't. So I feel like I wanted to make this video, so I was like, okay, you know what, we can all just remind ourselves, oh, this is what we're happy for, why we are who we are, and what have we done, and what we are, you know? Like, don't worry about what the next person is doing. Don't worry about how the next person looks. Don't worry about what the next person is saying. Like, it doesn't matter. It's your life, and you need to live your life to the fullest, because no one else is gonna live that life for you. I know, I'm so motivational. I never gave myself credit. Like, I never wanted to sit here and say, this is what I did and let me celebrate it. Like, I did to a certain extent, but I didn't do it the way I wanted to do it, because I took on how happy you were as a person for me as my happiness. I was so happy to show you what I did because I wanted you to be proud of me, but I never was proud of myself, if that makes sense, somewhere along the lines. So I took a little break because I was getting tired of plucking, but well, I don't gotta pluck that much anyways. Self-affirmation just, it helps you to love yourself. It helps you to be like, damn, that's me, that's what I'm doing. That's what I did, like, you know? That's what I take from it. It helps me to love myself. It helps me to recognize the kind of person that I am. It helps me to recognize what's looking back at me when I look in the mirror, you know, because sometimes you forget. I mean, I forget. Sometimes I forget how I even look sometimes. We should all go on this whole 2-week self-affirmation thing starting today, starting from when this video gets put out, because it's so important that we don't forget how amazing we are. Like I said before, you kind of just want to plaster them down so that they stay this way. But we're not keeping it this way, so hold your horses, put them out, because you want to set them in the direction that you want to set them. Now, we're not doing baby hairs per se, but we kind of want to make the front look natural. So what I'm going to do actually is right here, I'm just going to speed this part up. I'm going to just pluck a little bit faster because I kind of want to just get right here to look a little bit more natural. Just right here, really. Okay, so we put the styling foam on this because we kind of want right here to just stay this way, okay? We're not gonna keep it like this, so don't kill me. So if you can see right here and right here, it's just way too close for me. So I am just going to open that. Now make sure you're not making yourself a bald spot because that so defeats the purpose of this looking natural. guys, so this is my end result. This is what I came up with. I hope you guys liked my whole chit chat, get ready with me type thing. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Like, I just feel like I like these entire like chit chat, get ready with me videos because it's kind of like something different. You know, I'm used to kind of just doing like hair tutorials and boom, leaving it at that. But I really like kind of mixing it in with talking because sometimes tutorials can just be tutorial-ish and I kind of just want to have fun with you guys. I really feel like I'm at a place where I'm trying to find myself and I feel like I'm getting to know myself better and I want to know even more about myself. Sometimes I just want to talk. Again, today's hair is from Ms.Buy. I will have everything down below for you guys in case you guys are just completely wondering because you really just love this curly hair. I'll let you guys know. Oh, I didn't use any gel on this. I didn't use any gel. I didn't use any glue. I didn't use any adhesive. I kind of just went ahead and just used the headband, the whole headband method. So, hey, back away from that. Get away. You will need a hot comb to kind of flatten out the top of your head because it just makes your life so much easier. Or you can use a blow dryer, it's up to you. I recommend a hot comb so you can be easy peasy in and out and ready to go. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and everything that you see over here in this corner. And bye guys.